Mr. Young, don't ever recommend these people for the baking course. They'll make a mess.
Like you're doing right now?
Yeah. Listen to this guy.
Yes, I use that.
Ground.
Read it down.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
right.
Not bad.
There, see? Yeah.
Plastic would be better, right? With this?
Well, you kind of force it in, and then you go with the sponge thing. You kind of blend it, you know. See?
Yeah, I'm feeling it. I understand.
Count.
I think using plastic instead of metal with this.
That's pretty tough.
There's a lot of holes here.
Pre-mixed grout?
Yeah, you can buy premix stuff.
Yeah.
See, premix is good, you know, you got a little job with a patch, you just open up the bucket, boom, 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 and you...
How long it takes to dry?
Huh?
How long it takes to dry?
20 to 30 minutes.
Dry?
Yeah.
A couple hours.
Oh, shucks. Okay, never mind.
So when do we wipe it?
You're gonna wipe it soon, you don't wanna leave that heavy mess on it, because it might stick to the tile. So you're gonna have to take a sponge, or you can get a rag, or get a rag or something, we can wipe it.
electrical stuff anymore.
What's it up for six? Usually.
There's a bag somewhere. Oh, in the chair.
Splater.
Yeah, in the chair.
Oh, I see some more.
Oh.
I see some more. Right. All the little tiny stuff.
That's fine.
Is this okay?
Yeah, that'll work. And you just plunge it in. You don't want to take it out, or you're going to see spots that you need. Just hit.
Wait, I gotta see.
Right? You can kind of go with the direction. You can. You got a lot of glue on the place of this towel, though. See?
Yeah.
Hey, just play with it. Plunge it in. Now you're going to have to go back. And you see there's a piece of dirt in this. You're going to go back and touch it up here and there.
What happens?
We will have compound tomorrow.
Huh?
We will have compound tomorrow.
Compound?
Yeah.
Oh, you need compound?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. I got compound upstairs.
Oh, compound for what? 2 days ago for the.
Compound?
Why you don't tell
Oh, you're talking about the draw? Oh, for the yard.
There's no compound left?
I need it. Why you don't tell too much?
Yeah, people call me up with all kinds of crazy nonsense. It's like they treat me like I know something.
For which you don't know nothing.
I don't know shit.
Let's go compounding. Let's go compounding.
Yeah, but where is compound?
The opening.
It's coming. Let's go compound. Let's go.
It's coming.
Voila.
You read it? That? Let me do the last.